Hi there, Babe the Handyman here. Just another update on the project I'm currently working on at home, which is the total renovation of the upstairs of my cottage. So far, you've been updated. The next phase has been completed pretty much completely. Prime painted all the plasterboarding. I've also done the first coat of the cupboard units that I will be sitting at the back of the room. Basically, this is the alcove where the bed is going to be staying. It's going that way. These are the two doors for each side, which will open that way. And we can't really see it well at the moment because the doors are in the way, but inside there will be two alcoves on both sides of the bed like that, so you can basically, the mattress will come to the height of the shelf here, and then there'll be a plug with USB chargers, switches for side lights which will be going on this side wall here, etc. And the middle unit is also been primed. The panels have been coated with two coats of primer, and the room is basically going into paint mode now. We're just doing some analysis of what the color will look like once we've painted everything. We don't really know what we're going to do with the up above that unit here. It's planned to leave it like this, but we don't know yet. Okay, so there's still quite a lot of work to be done, and we're getting there. Oh yes, I've also received all the decorative trims, skirtings, and architraves, and trims, and also dado rail. They've all come unprimed, so they had to be all primed, so that's been done. One coat of primer and then sanded down because they look quite rough. MDF is quite rough when you paint it. You prime it, and then once it's primed, it looks smooth before you paint it, but when you prime it, the grain kind of climbs out. So you have to really give it a good sanding, 240 grain or so, and then it just smooths the MDF back down without taking too much of the MDF. See here, I mean, this MDF has been primed and sanded down, and there is, some marks where the sander has been taken off, the paint has been taken off, but it's not that bad. Okay, so here is the situation at the moment, and we're carrying on the project, and I can't wait to get this finished now. See you later, guys.